Isn't this fun? I'm on the mountain bike trail here. There's my mountain bike. There's the trail. There's some more trail. It's going to use my new drone that's supposed to automatically follow me. But after I launched it, it decided it's just going to fly up about 15 feet above my head and sit there. And here's the controller right here. The awesome beacon everyone told me to buy. And it can't connect to it. It connected enough for it to launch. And then as soon as I launched, it disconnected. And now I'm sitting here waiting for the battery to die. And I hope it doesn't try to fly to China or something when the battery dies. I'm hoping it just auto lands. If it does auto land, it'll land in some scrub oak, I'm assuming. So that should be quite entertaining. I'll be sure to try and catch that on video. So that's what we're doing right now. It was supposed to be a fun bike ride with some awesome new video, but now we're just watching my new drone hover up there all by itself without any control at all. So hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. It's going to start getting cold soon, so I hope the battery doesn't last, until I freeze to death. So here we go. I must say it hovers pretty well. It's got a real solid hover to it. Manages to keep its GPS position very well. So what else can I say? Hey, let's check out the view. Not bad. Hey, there's my buddy Garrett. Say hi, Garrett. We're gonna see what happens here. So, over and out.
Right in the bush.
It's auto landing in a bush. There it goes. Just did a little bit of weed whacking. Oh yeah, that's really good. It landed right on a rock on the gimbal. Perfect. Yeah, that's great. I love it. I'm sure it didn't do any damage at all. Well, I guess I'll be putting this thing away in the backpack and sadly riding home.